Sourcing building codes and test descriptions. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we cover how to find building codes, test descriptions, and other resources for impact applications, performance, and protection in high-velocity wind zones.
Great way to get started. If you're working on a project that is in a high-velocity wind zone area and you need to start learning more information about it, great way to get started is at manufacturers' websites. So if you're looking at a glass fabricator or aluminum frame manufacturers' websites, they're going to contain excellent background information about codes, overviews, testing descriptions, and also provide you with numerous links to other things that you need to be considering regarding impact applications. So most manufacturers are going to group products like you see here. These are grouped together to make it easier. You can see high thermal performance, seismic, or here hurricane resist projects. Then that's going to take you into products that are Florida product approval, TDI, and then impact tested. So you can see that most manufacturers are going to try to keep it easy for you as a designer to go into their website, and knowing that you're looking for impact rated systems, you don't want to have to go through everything. So this groups them together and makes it easier for you to come to this one location, click, and boom, open up all your options. So from there, you'll typically find, we looked at a product selection guide earlier. Here's another example of one. This one focuses on windows. So you can see if you wanted operable windows, then going into the manufacturer's website, look for their link to impact rated systems, click on that, then you'll see window options. And here's a product selection guide. And again, these are designed to give you all the information you're looking for quickly. So based on the configuration of the window, across the top here, you can see different things that you're looking for, the testing standards, the wind zones, performance levels, all keeping it nice and simple and easy. So now we found that we want to use a curtain wall. So here's an example of a landing page from a manufacturer's website of a curtain wall system. And you can see once here, manufacturer makes it very easy for giving you quick links to all the supporting data that you need to validate the application. You'll see there'll be links to what most architects need, CAD drawings, thermal information, BIM drawings, other project examples. All of that is all quickly defined right here, making it quick and easy for you to locate the system you're looking for and get information on it. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.